Okay, now see here. Now see here, thyroid gland, front view and back view. We will see what is, and on the back side it is parathyroid gland. But what is in the front side? It is a thyroid gland. Okay, and thyroid gland, we saw this is thalamus, and either side of the trachea there is a thyroid gland. Okay, now see here. This is the right lobe, this is the left lobe, and this is called as isthalamus. Okay, isthalamus. Okay, means it is attached by a thin flip called as isthalamus, and in between there is a trachea. Okay, this is trachea, respiratory tract, one of the part of the respiratory tract. Okay, now thyroid gland backside. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are called as parathyroid gland, and they are how many? They are four. Four parathyroid glands. Four parathyroid glands. Means from the back side it looks like this, and in the front side it looks like this. Okay, and where it is in the neck. Okay, means in the near the trachea. And now thymus. Thymus is present near the chest. You can say in the, okay, means lower chest, you can say. The thymus plays a major role in development of human system. This is very important. Development of human system. Development of human system. Human system which helps in fighting with foreign material which is coming in our body, right? Immune system is increased, right? We have seen that also, that for this, what we say, for viruses, there is a vaccine. What does vaccine do? It fights with, what does vaccine do? It helps in increasing a immune system, right? Like that only. Okay, this gland secretes a peptide hormones called as thymosins. It secretes a peptide hormone called as thymosins. Thymosins also promote production of antibiotics to produce humoral immunity. And what is the main function of this? It produces WBC also, white blood cells also. We call it as lymphocytes. It produces lymphocytes also. Thymosins promote production of antibiotics to produce immunity. Humoral immunity means this is the important organ in we can say hormone in our body which promotes antibiotics. Means whatever antibiotics we are eating, for example, if a person is having cough or cold, and he is taking antibiotics which are prescribed by the doctor to him. Okay, then if he is eating those antibiotics after having meal, then what will happen? This hormone will promote it. Promote it means help it. Okay, help it in fighting with the foreign material, fighting with the virus. Okay, virus like cough and cold. Okay, understood the example? Very easy. Okay, and I told you that this produces WBC also, means it helps in producing WBC means white blood cells like lymphocytes also. Okay, lymphocytes also. Now see, we will see its location, where it is present in our body, for example, anatomy of, see now, thymus gland, where it is present. See, our lungs are there, their ribs are there, our ribs are there like this. Okay, then breastbone is there in between, then see, heart is there and lungs are there. And here what is present? Thymus gland is present. Thymus, which produces thymosis, okay, which is a hormone. Thymus gland is present here. Okay, thymus gland is present here, which helps in what? Promoting antibiotics, and which helps in increasing our immune system, which is a very important function of our body. Okay, it is present in the chest only, but upper chest. Now adrenal gland also has important functions. We will see them also. Okay, till now what we have learned, tell me, till now what we have learned? Wait, here is some space. Okay, 1 minute. Here is some space. What we learned first? What we learned first? Hypothalamus. Hypothalamus. Second, pituitary gland. Third, what we learned, pineal gland. And fourth, what we learned, thymus. Fourth, what we learned, thymus. Now we are going to learn fifth hormone, which is adrenal gland. Okay, which is adrenal gland. Okay, chalo. Adrenal gland. Before that, let me check your comments. Till here you have understood everything, all of you. Till here you have understood everything. Easiest topic and this is the easiest topic, and each hormone has different functions. Okay, each hormone has different functions, so it is easy to remember also. It is easy to remember also. Okay, now we will do adrenal gland. Adrenal gland. Okay, adrenal gland. It is basically present on the kidney. Okay, our body has one pair of adrenal glands, one at the anterior part of each kidney. Means we know that we have two kidneys. On each kidney, on the anterior, means for example this is the kidney, bean shaped kidney. So on this side, this adrenal gland is present. Okay, and this is, okay, like this it is there. Adrenaline is a hormone. See now, adrenaline is a hormone released from the adrenal gland. It is released from the adrenal gland. Adrenaline helps to prepare for stressful and dangerous situations. It means it helps in helps our body or helps our brain, we can say, in the dangerous situations. Okay, like in panic situations. Okay, okay, increases the heartbeat, the strength of heart contraction, and the rate of respiration. And when we are in fear, or when we are fear or in the difficult situation, it happens that only a heartbeat increases. We start feeling fear. That time what happens, our heartbeat increases, our respiration also increases. Okay, then what happens, strength of the heart contraction, it helps in strengthening heart contraction. Okay, okay, the adrenal gland also has a main function, means yes or no. Now see, we will see further what it does. See now, I told you there is a kidney, bean shaped kidney. Above that, adrenal gland is present. Both the kidneys, on each of them, adrenal gland is present. What it does, and it strengthens the heart contraction. It helps in, what does it does? What it do? It helps in our respiration rate and our heartbeats also. Okay, and it helps in helping our body and how to react in a difficult situation. Okay, fearful situations, we can say. Okay. Now see, pancreas. I told you one thing about pancreas which is very unique. What is that thing? Comment me down and tell. Comment below and tell. Comment below and tell.